ايش حطيتيهم ولا
وايش بتحكي؟
اين حطيتيهم؟
اين؟ وين؟
انتوا بتقولوا وين؟
انت وين؟
ايش تسوي؟ ايش عملتي؟
انت ايش بتحكي؟
شو عملت؟
شو عملت؟
حجرسك حبهدلك.
انت ايش بتحكي؟
حجرسة انا بحكي.
لا حبهدل. حتبهدل. حجرسها حبهدلها.
انتوا بتقولوا حبهدلها. ده طعم صودا بنيز.
حبهدلها. بهدلها.
I can hear Mama and your mom saying بهدلها.
شو هيدا؟ Let's see how different we look. Hey guys! And then you can transition it later on, like cut it. Hey, Hey! خلص جرسة.
المكيف. بتحكوا شوي بفصحى.
لا
المكيف.
ليش انتوا بتحكوا؟
المكيف كثير.
طلعوا بانا.
زوم ان.
Oh my god! صح الهاي؟ Is it filming?
Think the clouds are clogging up my brain like the way the drain same as the tears on my face. Get it? Feel like wakes me up like he's got the way of the hurricane. Blowing, and I don't know it.
Maya, wait.
He's got the way. He's got the
Well, if it was me, then I would. Would he hold you when you're feeling low? Baby, you should know that I would. Would he please you? Would he kiss you?
Hey guys. We're currently in Bibim. The place is so cute. Reem looks so cute. And I'm traveling today to Algeria at 10 p.m. and it's currently 3:30 p.m. and I still didn't finish packing.
انا مش جريئه مثلك اقعد اعمل فلوجز ان بابليك. لو بقدر كنت I would be so insufferable.
بحس انه ممكن مرات استحي بس in general لا ما بحس. ليش انت
insufferable اذا بعمل
بزيادة؟ نعم.
I'd be insufferable اذا عملت لانه I already بحمل الكاميرا everywhere I go. So إذا حملتها حتى in public لأنه لما كثير كنا نظهر قبل وكثير I used to record like different places من حلايا بلبنان و really nice scenery.
بالضبط. فيو كان.
So I've been uploading since last year.
ما أحلى. طب show me. I want to watch.
No, I don't tell anyone. You know it's a secret. I'm scared of being judged.
خلاص. But yeah, so what our plan for the day, I want to make this an actual video and edit.
لكن أنا آخر هون معك.
Okay.
مايا عايزتك.
When did
أنا كنت عايزتك يا مايا.
Waited 4 years to see each other for one night. Bada's gonna order now, and then
order يا ضانا.
we're gonna go get my volley shoes.
So we're just gonna do starters for now. Okay. Kimari, please. Mandu. But can we make it 2 servings because it's only 3 pieces, right?
We'll give you 4.
This is mandu. It's actually really good.
And japchae and dokuchi, please.
ليش ما صح she's picky.
What lemon iced tea?
Reem is having like a
Is this strawberry? This was all on tape.
We made it.
Jarsa. After this, we're gonna go get my volley shoes. I need to buy new shoes because I have a tournament. By the way, I don't know if we're gonna win. I hope we win. And then we're gonna go exchange money and then go back home to finally pack all of my stuff.
We didn't spend enough time.
I know. And المشكلة I had to park on something.
Yeah. My god, all of our therapy sessions عم تطلع على
Bana had اسمه Kimari, and then we have this thing. It's so good, and this is our strawberry iced tea. Reen got this. يلا رين.
ضانا ايما بتعرف كيف تستعمل الموضوع so wish her luck يعني. She's gonna
يلا.
embarrass herself.
Try.
Open your mouth. What is that?
It's just eat it.
How Keith? How?
How cute.
How Keith? I wanna try it. زابكي حبيتيها؟ واو.
انا عجبتيك؟ عجبتيك؟
بتحبي
Oh yeah. Did it work?
Yeah.
Good.
She's a genius.
The thing we just ate the
ده
الفطاير.
ايه ده شو؟
هاي كتير زاكي بس زاكي
مايا مبسوطة بالهيك
بحب كتير والله.
خدي راحتك فيها هلا النهار كله.
You know, if I wasn't in Amman, because if someone finds out they're gonna like
عن جد تحكي؟
عن being an influencer.
Again, I'm not. ايه بتزبطلك كتير
كتير جعبالي اكون
طب
يوتيوبر.
لحظة, do it. Block every single person you know. That's what I did. I blocked every single person I know on TikTok, on my extra everything I have. Blocked everyone I know. Post and don't tell anyone about it.
Maybe when I go to university I'll do that.
طيب اجيب لك شوكة.
لا بدي اجرب اتعلم.
جرسة. طيب try it. Maybe it's too hot. It's too hot. Oh my god.
Can we please have a fork?
Yes, of course.
Oh, just for her. She doesn't know how to use the
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
You have to teach her.
She's trying. We've been trying to teach her for 4 years now.
Oh, really? It's because you keep going back to the. You have to give her no choice. Like you can't eat. Okay. No.
يمكن تقتلنا.
How the iced teas?
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
كيف أحكي كتكوت بلبنان؟
كتكوت. أنا عم تاكل guys. Am I dreaming?
It's good, صح؟
شي بجرس يعني بصراحة.
شي بيجرس بصراحة.
شي بجرس. Last year أكترية الوقت كنت أنا
عم تحكي.
قبل ما خلينا
Thank you. Okay, the ramen without an egg.
Really?
She doesn't like it. Okay, you know what? No, actually, you know what? I'll try it with it.
It's really good.
I'll try it with it.
Yeah.
Anna's trying new things, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, eat it.
You said this is the next thing. Bana, what's it called?
That's why I asked you, what do you say when you're like,
Bana, ايش اسمها؟
انتوا بتقولوا هذا
صار 52%. We're gonna have to say goodbye, guys. يلا we'll try this. We'll try this and then we'll.
It's noodles. It's ramen noodles. تعالي بس أحط لك نقطة.
Wow.
No. By the way, the texture type of noodles is my favorite.
I love it. هذا مو جرسة.
مش جرسة.
مو جرس.
ايش بحس؟ انت ايش بتضلي تحكي؟
ايش
بحس
شو
بالذنب.
بتحس؟ شو بتحسوا؟
بتحسوا.
ايش بتحس؟
بحس بالذنب.
لا هيك just an example.
Example ايش هون في اشياء كثير هيك أردنية بتحسيها؟
ايش بتفكري؟ ايش بدي فكري؟
ايش مالك؟
شبكي لانا
حتى انت ما بتقدري تحكي أردني صح؟
لا هي عم تحكي هي بتحكي أردني على لهجة لبنانية.
أهلين! Guys, we're in Abdali Mall. We forgot to vlog, but I got the shoes. I'll show them to you later. And I got like face mask and another like travel bag. We're now waiting for Bana. I don't know if you can see. We're gonna go home and then pack. Because I have to be in the Olympic Center in 3 hours and I didn't pack. I need to go exchange money yet though.
3 hours?
Yeah. Good luck. Hi الناس. Okay, yalla, see you guys. I know for sure.
Everybody wanna steal my girl. Everybody wanna take her heart away. Alright. I don't need 65, don't have fun. Everybody wanna take her heart away. I'm bringing in the whole wide. Find another one 'cause she or another. I'm gonna get you one way or another. Gonna meet you.
ايش عايدت؟ والله لا عايدت، استنى بلحق نص مليون. طب ادعي لي يعني. شكرا
Wow, Maya. Through the night, one way or another.
عطيني مصاري بس ما
Straight up the plane to a new hotel. Just touchdown, you can never tell. Midnight memories. You and me and all our friends. Don't forget me, no. Deep down, nobody can drag me. These nights that can't blind me with your love. Nobody can drag me.
Oh my god, this one I loved it so much.
No, nothing can come between you and
عمو جنبي.
Look how big the moon is.
together. They see things in a different light, like us.
It sounds nice. I remember the music video I loved.
Cause you and we can make it till the end. Nothing can come between you and I. Nothing can come between you and I. Oh, you and
You in the back.
You gotta help me. I'm losing my mind. Keep getting the feeling you wanna leave this all behind. Thought we were going strong. I thought we were holding on. Aren't we? You and me got a whole lot of history.
Okay guys, I'm gonna vlog for you my current situation. I have to go leave the house in 1 hour and this is my current situation.
Wow.
Absolutely empty. They're all waiting for me. Guys, مش عارفة شو بدي.
من
Oh guys, we're packing.
هيدا
هلا حطيت كل الأواعي.
هيدا انا الجرسة عمل لي حالي شو يعني راحة سبيس ولا انه هنا
شو خص؟
ما بعرف ليه هيدا
لانا don't wake me up.
and we take the camera away.
Oh, yeah.
شلته don't worry.